pits
I
need
think they're on
some.
welfare.
Yep, our birds
The more
need
you
some
feed them, the
seeds.
more they eat.
We are here at Myers Major, or I don't know how to pronounce it.
What?
The store.
Myers?
Myers.
You said that. You said it correctly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
you
we're
screwed
going
it.
there.
Patsy screwed up.
I don't know if it is biggest store, grocery store,
Well, it's not just a grocery store. It has everything else.
clothing,
It's like
everything.
going to Wally World. The only difference is you don't have the Wally World people there.
Yep.
Goofy people.
So now, ganyan yung asawa ko, guys. Every time na magbaba ako dito, kailangan niya i-open yung door. Thank you for opening again my door. Okay. You need something over here?
No. I'm not good.
Yep.
All you have to do is to the computer. I'm going to see if I can air.
Okay. Oh, they have a lot
You
of...
need anything for your hoofs?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I have a lot there. Oh, it's for Valentine's now. Everything is for Heart Day.
I ain't buying you one for Heart Day. It's Valentine's Day.
Wow, they have already this big?
Yeah, we could never afford those. But those are pencils.
Ah, pencil. That's a
I
pencil.
don't know where the crowns are anymore. I just like the smell of them. Oh, man, they have it. Yeah, because I'm so confused.
Yeah, this is a white, so it's supposed to be in this
That's what I
area.
was thinking. But they also have computers. Oh, well, we're going to look somewhere else. It kind of sucks. Everything is changing to the point of
Yeah.
they'll have nothing.
Oh, this is the gel that removes some. This is.
Oh, yeah. You want some of that?
Yeah, I guess so that let's see. My keyboard is dirty.
Right. You want some?
No, that's be good. This one.
No, I mean for your screen. You want some wipes?
No, that's be good.
Cheap ass.
I know it's getting expensive.
There's no way. Hey, 6 packs of beer could buy you with that?
This is for a car wash again. My husband needs some wipes.
Don't say wipes. It sounds like an old man wearing diapers.
I just make some fun. This is the O2 department.
This is a thing. After you wash it, when you get the water and spray it, it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
Where's the birds at?
over there, I guess. I don't know.
Okay, I'm going down this. I'll move.
Why?
Just look.
I
You
hard.
like to look. I like to look.
Oh, hardware department.
Buy anything? Nah.
Just look what is the new trend.
There's no such thing as new or anything.
That's a big one. Oh,
Ooh, it's so big.
50 pieces.
Ooh, 150.
150, I mean.
Yeah, teach you how.
150 pieces.
Yeah, $156 was a dollar per.
We are here to buy the food for the birds.
Let's see if it's down here. It's all gone here.
Oh,
I don't want more. I'll have to give me a small bag for more. I
just
think the last time I got
yeah.
at least 50 or 40 pounds. I just get one bag
Okay.
until we can get. I can't believe they don't have none.
We feed all the birds. That's why they're gone. I guess they're. Oh, they have worm.
See, I don't. You don't get fruit and nut. You draw squirrels and stuff like that.
What's this? Oh, yeah, we have peanuts.
Try that candy, please.
Yeah, a little.
Hmm.
You said you have 30
You have to look
bucks?
for stuff.
$30?
No, what are you doing?
Oh. Quit insulting your wife.
See, thanks to you,
What?
the birds will be happy.
Yeah. Frozen?